one of the best preschool one can have for their tiny tots before they step for their grade ones.
Star Kids has shaped overall personality, speaking skills and physical activities. I always impressed with their playful learning methods of education, and senior KG was a virtual learning. So their virtual sessions were so well planned. The teachers were focusing on each and every kid's
right from nursery to senior KG, and I've literally seen Mian grow up from being a very shy and reserved child to a well-spoken child. All thanks to the love.
There is no doubt Millennium Star Kids is the best. They give equal importance to academics as well as co-curricular activities. Those grand annual day celebrations and sports day events were such amazing visual treats and gave us so many precious moments to cherish. Although last year was a tough one with the virtual classes on, the teachers put in their best efforts to make our little ones understand. Millennium Star Kids has transformed my 2-year confused baby to a very smart and confident one today. So just like how you encourage our kids, I would like to give a big shining star to the whole team of MSK.
School at Millennium Star was amazing and exceptional, I would say. The best part was Ananya was enjoying attending this school every day. In fact, during this corona period, she wanted to heads off to each and every teachers, I would say. The concept learning at Millennium Star is amazing. I mean, it's a different way of teaching, and I could see that my daughter was really confident on knowing that concept, and then practicing it on a daily basis. Really gave their best to each and every child.
It has been a fantastic journey for Vanshika and us. Last year was not easy, we all know that, and we know the reasons why. But the way you've handled everything while conducting these classes online through Zoom, it has been phenomenal. We see a huge change, a positive change in Vanshika, and I'm sure that must be the case for many of the other kids at your school.
To miss MSK family badly. Thanks to all of the teachers. Thank you, Navdeep ma'am, and all of your staff who have always been cooperative and helpful.
But the approach of teachers towards the children was a bit unique that I could not find in other schools. More concentrated approach on individual students, analyzing their weakness and strength and working on that, talking to the parents about how to work on the weaknesses and how to enhance their strengths, giving them more opportunities in terms of extracurricular activities and giving them an option to participate in different curriculums. So this was what attracted me, and I would really recommend Millennium Star Kids to all of the parents.
MSK is that the open door policy. All my anxiety was put to rest when I saw the principal of the school sitting in an open office area and not behind closed doors. Navdeep ma'am is always available and approachable, ready to help and answer all the queries with a smile and a sense of assurance that my child's development would be taken seriously. MSK has a very warm and comforting environment, passionate and nurturing teachers and staff, active learning, child-friendly activities and facilities.
MSK made sure that all the activities, be it PE, dance or any religious festival, it was done in, it was organized in the same way as we would have had in a normal school environment. So, and we're going to miss you all.
Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you so much.
MSK. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Much, thank you.
All the best to MSK and thank you so much for everything.